Girard 2GWHAM. Install a Girard tankless water heater with the peace of mind that years of research and experience support every model. The Girard 2GWHAM tankless water heater has a regulator that helps maintain consistent temperatures. No extra gas lines or plumbing required to get hot water on demand. And every Girard tankless water heater is weatherized to protect the unit from freezing temperatures. Using the onboard microprocessor is the key to controlling rapid water temperature changes on demand within plus or minus 1 degree Fahrenheit. Set temperatures between 95 degrees Fahrenheit up to 124 degrees Fahrenheit. Visual Diagnostics lets you see the flame output and the water temperature in real time. Silicone rings protect all parts leading in and out of the unit for easy alignment and stability. The Girard is easy to mount, weighs 21 pounds, and measures 14.6 by 17.8 by 14.6 inches. Install a Girard and you'll see why it's the best tankless water heater for an RV. Warranty. Girard offers a 2-year warranty. Pros. Fast 25-minute installation and instant hot water. Improved RV experience. Inspired to use RV more often. 2.56 gallons per minute of instant hot water for up to 45 minutes. Cons. Poor communication from customer support regarding replacement parts. Capacity of tank and heat exchanger don't sync correctly. Continual circuit board and control panel failure.